October is an interesting month because you've got really the first full month of 2011 vehicles on sale. About maybe 11.9, I think, will be where total sales end up. That's actually the best month this year. There's like these little indications that maybe consumers are becoming a little less hesitant, but they're still very motivated by deals. I think that we're seeing now, because the last week of October we saw the sales pace drop down quite a bit, and I think that's as consumers are starting to wait for the Thanksgiving weekend sales. So there are a lot of consumers out there. They are holding back, and when they see the sales, they come out. When they don't see a big sales event, they tend to hold back, and I don't see that pattern breaking for quite a while. What's remarkable about the industry today is how well the car companies have cut costs, and actually they've been raising prices. Whenever they've been able to cut incentives, that's effectively a price increase. So lower costs and higher prices actually mean car companies today are profitable even at sales levels, 11.5, 12 million units a year, which is completely beyond any expectations. A couple years ago, we would have thought 14 million was required, but today, industry seems pretty healthy even at 12 million. If we take a look at sales through the year, we saw that fleet sales were a much bigger component of the marketplace earlier this year. Some of that was government stimulus money, fleets being sort of cycled through. Later in the year, though, the consumer demand has been what's really driving this. So for the month of October, fleet will be about 18%, and it was as high as 30% earlier this year. Still very early days, but the Chevy Cruze is a very important small car for them, really the demonstration, that GM can be bringing out a small car that people like, and that seems to be getting some traction. Ford sort of got the iconic Explorer that's starting to hit the marketplace, and that's a very, very good redesign of a classic sort of mid-sized SUV. Ford, I think, is ahead of the pack when you take a look at the U.S. auto industry. They've had consistent management now going back years, been very, very focused, been bringing out some good product, and in terms of profitability, I think they're continuing to surprise everybody in a very good way. Ford's got a lot of momentum.